cars ever. This is equipped with our HPE 850 package, which is a massive upgrade over stock. More power, more sound. You have a nice, healthy lope from the custom HPE camshaft. Let's check out how this thing performs on the track. From this vehicle is absolutely insane. The downshifts sound so wicked. They're just quick and sharp and very fun to do if you get it right. With some of the cooling upgrades that we offer, it definitely stays a little bit cooler than factory. And if you're a really serious track guy, we have options for you as well. July 19th, the C8 Corvette got announced last night. I'm really happy that they stuck with the LT platform. I hope that they continue to stick with the LT platform with the future iterations of the C8. The potential is going to be through the roof because it's an LT motor. So we've got LT5 blower capabilities, we've got turbocharger capabilities, we have all sorts of capabilities to modify since it's already a platform that we know. I'm really happy about that. And they're just continuing to advance it. Well, that about wraps up what we've got for today. Stay tuned for more C8 Corvette news. Go pick up a C7 for a good deal and give us a call. We want to give you some more horsepower. Like and subscribe, you know, all the basic stuff. And we will see you next time on the Hennessey YouTube channel. See ya.